Welcome back. In this step, we'll look at another typical mistake which beginners make with Python. One of the important things in Python is indentation is very important. So if I press a space and if I'm trying to type in I is equal to 1, it says unexpected indent. So space at the start of a line has a lot of value in Python, and that is shown here as well, right? So if I am saying I is equal to 3 and have a lot of space, it says unexpected indent. The same is inside a if. So if I have a if condition, so let's say I am saying I is equal to 1 and I'm saying if I is equal to 3 colon, and I directly type something here. So I'm saying if I print something, what would happen? It would throw an error because the if block code should be having a indentation. So you need to have a space to indicate the indentation. The other important thing is when you are typing the next line, again, if you want it to be part of the if, then you should give the same indentation as the previous statement. So it should start in here. If it does not, if it starts something here, what would happen? Again, error. It says indentation does not match any outer indentation level. So this is something we should be very careful about. If you want a statement to be part of the if, then it should be indented the same indentation level as the previous statement. This is the same with loops as well, for loop, while loop, and all the other stuff. So be very careful with indentation because Python uses indentation to define the blocks. Where the block starts, where the block ends, all that is defined just by using indentation. This might sound a little difficult. This might be a little difficult for beginning programmers to get used to, but I am sure if you start using it in the right way, this is much more efficient than any other way of identifying a block. So be careful with indentation, and I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye bye.